What is indefinite integral of 1 divided by 5x plus 4 by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that the differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u substitution method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable using sum of formulas for finding integrals. In our case, we substitute expression 5x plus 4. We say u is equal to 5x plus 4. We also have to know what is the derivative of u. So we write derivative of u equals d 5x plus 4. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that derivative of 5x plus 4 equals derivative of 5x plus derivative of 4. Thus, we have du equals d 5x plus d4. We also know that the derivative of constant is 0. Consequently, our derivative of 4 is also 0. And we've got du is equal to 5dx. But what we want to have is expression that we insert to our main solution instead of dx. So after division of both sides by 5, we've got du divided by 5 is equal to dx that we were searching for now. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of 5x plus 4 to our main equation, and instead of dx, we now use expression with our substituted variable u, which is du divided by 5. We have now integral of 1 divided by u multiplied by du divided by 5. Next, we can multiply expression in numerator and expression in denominator. We've got integral of du divided by 5u, which we can write as integral of 1/5 multiplied by 1 divided by u by du. Now, we try to modify our main equation to the form which enables using some known formula for solving integral. First, knowing that integral of a multiplied by s by ds, where a is some constant, equals a multiplied by integral of s by ds. We may apply it to our equation. In our case, s is 1 divided by u and a is 1/5. Perfect! Now we can apply formula for solving integral of 1 divided by s by ds, which equals natural logarithm of absolute value of s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solution taken into account, as our solution make whole class of functions, not a single one. In our case, s is equal to u. We've got 1/5 multiplied by natural logarithm of absolute value of u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We have to come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We use u substitution, and now we have to come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert 5x plus 4. We've got 1/5 multiplied by natural logarithm of absolute value of 5x plus 4 plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of 1 divided by 5x plus 4 by dx is equal to 1/5 multiplied by natural logarithm of absolute value of 5x plus 4 plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.